Can we just acknowledge the fact that how cool the volcano is shaped?
It is shaped pretty cool. I have to admit, that's a neat volcano.
Good morning. All right, so we just passed Volcano Bay. We are actually headed to Portofino Bay right now. We are going to not check in. We're going, but we're going to park the car, get on a bus, and head over to Volcano Bay. Pick up our tickets for the next 3 days, and then head in for the water park. So excited! So we obviously can't do a ton on this camera for most of today, but we will have our action camera.
New camera.
Yes, it's no longer the GoPro, and I'm having a hard time not calling it the GoPro. It is the DJI Action. So this one lured us in because it has a feature of where you can actually like put it in selfie mode, and so you can see the screen whenever. Yeah, it has a front screen, and so that was kind of the big lure of it. I don't know what else fancy stuff it does, but all right. So we just got to Volcano Bay. We are gonna go over to the will call desk and pick up our tickets.
We got my tapu. They haven't been so lucky. Oh, one emerges. You got your tapu.
We're gonna go stop by the photo place to make sure that we know how our photo package works, and then we are gonna lock our stuff up.
Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Wow. Oh wow, it just...
I'm excited.
Alright, so we have switched to action mode. What do you think?
It's gonna be fun. It's hard because I don't know anything about here. Like, I mean, I know a little bit, but not ever being here, it's like, it feels weird to not know where we're going and how to get places.
Everything's different. Everything is different here. Little Bug, are you excited? Tell me how excited. How excited?
6
A 6?
out of 9.
6 out of 9? Alright, so we are headed to our first tapu ride we're going to log in for. It is... What'd you call this thing?
Huh?
What'd you call this thing?
Hanu Ika Moana.
Yeah, I can't say that. But there it is. Alright. So see you in 20 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna try this Waka Waki Eats. I guess that's how you say it.
Hi there, would you go for the menu?
Pizzas, chicken salad, hot dogs, mac and cheese. Alright. Here we got 2 Hawaiian pizzas, which look amazing. Huge. Cheese pizza for Jennings with an icy. How's the icy? Good. Look at this. Look at this jerk chicken shrimp, or jerk shrimp mac and cheese.
Looks really, really good.
Yeah, that's a drop off. Alright, going down to the lazy river. Oh, that feels good. Oh. Okay, up to my waist. And this is a little chilly. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I got it wrapped. This is kind of relaxing. What do you think?
I think it's a lazy river.
And are you enjoying our vacation so far?
I am loving our vacation so far.
Uh-oh, traffic jam. Hey, crazies. They're crazy.
Lazy rivers are so relaxing.
Are you having fun? Are you de-stressed?
Yes,
Oh,
I love. Well, that was unexpected. I love the Tapu Tapu. Can you see it? We tapped in to
Whoa.
Hanu ride, which is the big family roller coaster. It was 60 minutes wait at the time. Now it's only 10.
Right.
I'm gonna go down to 10.
Alright. Return anytime. Cool. Lazy River was fun. Now we are gonna ride Hanu, I think it is? I don't know. It's a turtle. What did we get?
We got some ice cream. So oddly enough, in a water park, there's only one ice cream stand in this whole park, is what we were told. Is that not weird?
It was weird. So, what did Jennings do?
Jennings rode, what's that place called? The
Hanu?
Hanu, which is a big family slide, raft slide that like drops and swoops you up on the side and then swoops you up on another side. It was super fun. He was pretty scared, but he did it.
Jennings, did you have fun on it?
Said 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
6 out of 10.
You had some pretty big smiles when it was done. I got banana. Tastes like Laffy Taffy.
I got mango.
You got brain freeze?
You're full.
Look at your mouth.
Sorry.
Bail.
So
Fail.
sorry.
Bail. We have found this fearless river. Not sure what it is.
That's kind of fun. Like a lazy river / wave pool.
Yeah. What do you think about this? Oh man. Oh, that's not good. This is kind of fun.
This is really fun.
What do you think?
This is awesome.
It like picks up speed.
This is awesome. This is awesome. No, Jennings!
Jennings!
Oh my god!
Hello. Are your feet frying?
Yes.
Just got some Blood Orange margaritas in a souvenir glass, $12.99, and if you keep the glass and bring it back for refills, you get $2 off.
$2 off.
Pretty good. Now I think we're going to go into the volcano and explore. I don't know that here at the base of the volcano you can rent these private lanais or cabanas or whatever they call them. We are going to go explore the inside of the volcano. The air come out. The again. Finally, the wave pool, which is not so wavy at the moment. What do you think of Volcano Bay?
I like it. It's fun. Although I think they need to have more sprayer thingies for the concrete because my feet are really hurting. Going out on the wave pool. Jennings got told that he needed a life jacket, so they had to come back in.
Well, lightning is in the area, so they just put out something saying that we could not be in the water.
So we can't go on the boat.
Jennings is not that upset that we can't go on the roller coaster slide. Not that upset. So anyway, we will see how long this lasts. We weren't planning on staying here longer than 4 anyway. It's 2:30 now, so it might be worth it to just go over to the resort sooner than later and see if our room is ready to check in. But anyway, it's been a fun day so far, even though we started a little bit late and the weather does not look so hot, somewhat ominous. That is where Aiden and Mama were coming down.
Can we just acknowledge the fact that how cool the volcano is shaped?
It is shaped pretty cool. I have to admit, that's a neat volcano. So I just saw Aiden and Mom walking down the stairs next to the slide, so they'll be coming out in a minute. I guess they gave up on waiting.
Takes us off.
That stinks.
Yeah, that's a lot of stairs to climb up, not to get to come down a slide.
Sorry, man. If you hurt?
There's like
So we are back where we ate lunch. Rain today. Jennings wanted an icy. We stopped at the icy stand and their machine was broken, so we came back here. It has started raining, and we are still in line for an icy. Because this little bug wants an icy.
I'm a little bug.
Oh yeah, it's coming down pretty good. I'm a little confused at why everybody is running away from the water. We're at a water park. So we're gonna go check out Portofino Bay, and hopefully the little bug keeps up with his icy. I think he's pretty happy he got his blue raspberry icy. Go check out Portofino Bay and see what the night holds. Are you cold? It is coming down pretty good. We didn't leave, we just went through the exit. We said we were going to meet at the exit. We were
at the exit.
so was where we were standing.
So we literally were like
We were like 20 yards apart.
Yeah. Crazy.
You people are crazy.
We're not crazy, you're crazy, you're crazy.
What happened?
Well, Dad and Jennings goofed up.
What? False.
And they went to the wrong part of the exit.
False. We were at the exit, just like you were.
Yeah. But you did it wrong.
No.